Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you format a hard drive, whether it's internal or external, in your native Windows system. Okay, so let's begin now. So first, just click on the start button and then click on the search bar and now search for disk disk, and then you have a create and format hard disk partitions option here. Double click on it to open, and now just wait for the disk management to load. It needs time to connect to your hard drives. Okay, so now it's loaded, and you can see I have two drives here. This 0 is my internal laptop drive, and this one is my external drive, which I'm going to use it to format. You have a bunch of options here: format, shrink volume, or delete volume. But first I'm just going to format it to teach you guys how to format it. Now you can name the volume label as the name of the partitions. So I'm just going to name it as new one, and the file system I'm going to keep it as NTFS. You can choose exFAT if you want. So now just click OK and OK. Keep in mind that formatting will delete all of the files in your partition. Now go to File Explorer, and then you can see a new OneDrive here. So this means that the partition is successfully formatted, and then you can create some new folders in it to make sure that it is supported. So now I'm going to shrink the volume to show you guys how can you create multiple partitions on it. So I'm going to create a new volume about 200 GB. So just 200000 around 200 GB. Then now shrink. You can see there's a new unlocated volume here. So you can right click on it and create a new simple volume. Click next, and you can assign whatever ladder that you need. I'm going to go with A and click next and finish. Okay, so now the volume is created. Go to this PC, and then you can see two volumes here. One is the new one and another is the new volume, which is A. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and if this video helps you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.